Greetings from Nova Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Ford F-250 XL model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape. V8 engine on this one, super nice, long bed, ready to go to work. Beautiful condition. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around right now, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Super nice. Really nice shape. Okay, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really nice shape all the way through. Chrome bumper on it. Take a look at the headlamps. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Grille's in beautiful condition. Super nice. Look at that. Lights are in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice. Super clean. Beautiful shape. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Passenger door in the front, also beautiful condition, clean throughout, looks amazing. The emblems on this one looks good. Mirrors are in beautiful condition. Super nice. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Super clean. Let's take a look at the bed. Bed side on the passenger side looks amazing. Don't see any marks or scratches to show. It looks beautiful throughout. Really nice condition. All right, now let's take a look at the rear tailgate on this one. Looks good, super clean, very nice condition. Let's take a close look at the lights. Beautiful shape all the way through, super clean. Take a look on this side, also in beautiful condition, really nice. Rear bumper looks beautiful, clean throughout, very nice condition. It's got your hitch back here, ready to go. You're plugged for towing. Up above here, it's got a backup camera, super nice. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the bed side on the driver's side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Looks amazing. No marks or anything on it, looks super nice. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the rear door on the driver's side. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Really nice condition. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful shape, clean throughout. Very nice condition. Take a look at the mirror. Beautiful shape. Super nice condition on that. Look at that. Front fender on the driver's side looks good. Amazing condition. Quick look at the windshield here. Windshield looks good, no marks or scratches on it, looks amazing. Very nice. Let's take a quick look at the roof on this one. Super nice. Not a mark on it, looks amazing. Take a look at those lights on top. Beautiful shape. Really nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the other side. Beautiful shape on this side also. Really nice. Take a look at the rear glass. Also in beautiful shape. Really nice condition all the way through. Beautiful shape. All right, well, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. It's in really nice condition. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel is in beautiful condition. Look at this. Really outstanding shape. This one's well equipped. Take a look at the armrest in beautiful shape. Handles in great condition. Look at all the controls. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks. Very nice. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Seat's in brand new condition. Look at this. Looks amazing. It's brand new. Very nice condition. Rubber floors look brand new, like new condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front. Passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the armrest. Beautiful shape. Handles in great condition. Controls for the power locks and mirror and window. Beautiful shape throughout. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice shape. Rubber floors in amazing condition. Looks really nice all the way through. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in great shape. Does have a crease right there. Besides that, looks good. And also on this side. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Driver's side door panel, beautiful condition. Take a look at the controls for the power window. Handles in beautiful shape. Armrest is in amazing condition. It's got some storage there on the bottom, very nice. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Look amazing. Beautiful shape throughout, very nice. Rubber floors are in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Down here we got a little power supply there. Super nice. Liner looks good, beautiful shape. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the passenger side rear door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition, super clean. Check this out, very nice condition. Controls for the power window. Handles in beautiful shape. Armrest is in amazing condition. A little bit of storage there on the door. All right, taking a look at the rear seats. Look amazing, brand new, very nice condition. This one seats 6 passengers, and it also has that center in the front that can fold forward. Really nice storage. Very nice condition. Okay, we're all sitting inside here. We're gonna go ahead and check out the keys here really quick. 2 keys, super nice. Look at that. And they're fold out. Look at that, beautiful. Lock, unlock, and panic. All right, so we're gonna go and start this baby up. Stick the key in there. Starts up perfect. Look at that. It's like a brand new truck. This one has 27,343 miles. Look at that. 27,343. RPMs. Oil gauge, temperature gauge, fuel gauge, transmission, temperature, miles per hour, 89 miles till empty. Shows you the compass there also. That's really nice. It's got a timer on it. Super nice. I'm gonna leave it on miles till empty. That's a really nice feature. All right, so let's take a look. I just went through this here to check up there, what it does. This is for the volume of the radio. The Bluetooth for your phone, because of course this has Bluetooth on it. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Take a look at the controls for the lights. Turning signals, working perfect. The shifter here with dual mode here. Let's check that out, see what it does. So that's for drive mode, normal, tow haul mode, econo, and slippery. So we'll leave it on normal mode for now. Super nice. And then it has this shifter here in case you're gonna do the manual thing here. That's a really nice feature. All right, dashboard, it looks beautiful. Look at that. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. It's got a little bit of storage up there. Super nice. Take a look at the steering wheel. Amazing shape all the way through. No excuses on this one. This one's super clean. All right, let's take a look here. There's a controller for the rear end in case you want to lock it or whatever. That's super nice. This is for towing, in case you're going to use that. Air conditioning controls. Super nice radio. This one's nice. It has a backup camera on it. Put it in reverse. Check out the backup camera. Really nice. This one has a backup camera. Check it out. Super nice. Let's take a look at some of the other features on this one. Put it in reverse here. Take it out of reverse. Here we go. Showing the radio station it's on. So right there, we click radio, AM, FM, FM 1 and 2. That's super nice. Click on media. You can set up your Bluetooth for your phone if you'd like. Also Bluetooth for your phone calls. Here, if you want to add some more apps or whatever, you can do that, but you got to get Bluetooth set up. Super nice. Okay, controls for the radio right here. And then here you could do your settings and all that from there. Down below here, you're looking at the AC controls. Below that, a couple USBs to plug in. Super nice, power plug right there. Up above here, you got two of them here. Two power plugs there. It's got a little storage area there and your big glove box there. Look at that. Super nice. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Really nice shape all the way through. Up above here, you got a center console. Put your sunglasses in there. It's got all these auxiliary in case you want to add some features to the vehicle. Up on top here, you have your lights. Really nice. Let's take a look at the visors. That one has a mirror on it. This one does not. Beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner has a crease right there. You can see it. Besides, that's in good shape. Let's take a look around this side. Another crease right here and here. Besides, that's in really nice shape. Okay, so that's pretty much the interior. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We will be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive. Here we go. Super nice. Now you see that flickering there on where the cluster is? That's normal because the screen's refreshing. So the camera actually picks that up in the video. But when you look at it in person, it does not flicker or anything like that. See, it's constant. It drives beautiful. Super smooth. It's like a brand new truck. Really amazing drive. The brakes feel good. So smooth. Really great drive. Look at this. What a nice drive. Super smooth all the way through. Okay, this one's really nice. This one has a little backup camera here. We all know it's a work truck, but it does have a super nice backup camera there. Very nice. So this one does have a backup camera. Amazing. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires. under the hood, take a look at that bed. We'll be right back. All right, let's take a look at the bed on this one. Beautiful shape. Bed liner's in amazing condition, looks brand new. Very nice. It's got a light right there, look at that. Super nice condition. Backup camera right there. Amazing shape. Beautiful condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side looks brand new. Look at that tire. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side looks good. Very nice shape. Good amount of tread on there. It looks beautiful. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Let's take a look here. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Beautiful shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Passenger side tire. Tire's in beautiful condition. Looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Very nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look. Not a scratch on it. Beautiful shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Looks brand new. Very nice. Look at that. Amazing condition. Okay, now we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a look. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition all the way through. Super nice. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Ford F-250 crew cab long bed with an 8-cylinder gas engine, really in beautiful condition, super low miles, ready to go to work. If you guys have any questions on this one, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. NovaAutoSales.net. Thanks for watching.